Ever feel like banks nickel and dime you with hidden fees? Trapped in a cycle of overdrafts and minimum balances? Maybe you're tired of the traditional banking model altogether. Well, fret no more, because today we're diving into the world of fintech, specifically a Canadian fintech company called KOHO. Now, the big question, is KOHO legit? Can it truly replace your bank, or is it just another financial fad? Let's unpack everything you need to know. First things first, KOHO isn't exactly a bank in the traditional sense. It's a prepaid MasterCard provider with a mobile app designed for easy money management. Think of it as a hybrid between a debit card and a budgeting app. You load money onto your KOHO card, and then you can spend it anywhere MasterCard is accepted. Sounds simple, right? But the beauty of KOHO lies in its features. KOHO boasts a bunch of perks that traditional banks often charge extra for. We're talking free Interac transfers, no monthly fees, and no minimum balance requirements. There are also no pesky NSF charges, which can be a major lifesaver for those of us who occasionally live paycheck to paycheck. Plus, KOHO offers a high-interest savings account, so you can actually earn a little bit of extra cash on your unspent funds. Who knew managing your money could be rewarding? But KOHO isn't just about saving money, it's also about building healthy financial habits. The app gamifies your finances with features like roundups, which automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and deposits the difference into your savings account. There are also spending insights and budgeting tools that help you track your expenses and stay on top of your finances. It's like having your own personal financial cheerleader in your pocket. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, security. Since KOHO isn't a bank itself, some folks might be worried about the safety of their money. Here's the deal, KOHO partners with People's Trust, a federally regulated financial institution in Canada. This means your money is insured up to a certain amount by the Canadian Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC, just like it would be at a traditional bank. KOHO also uses industry-standard security measures to protect your information, so you can rest easy knowing your hard-earned cash is safe. So, is KOHO the perfect financial solution for everyone? Well, not quite. While KOHO is a great option for everyday spending and managing your finances, there are a few limitations to consider. For example, KOHO doesn't offer features like check deposits or bill pay, which might be deal breakers for some users. Additionally, KOHO is currently only available in Canada, so our international friends will have to look elsewhere for their fintech fix. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not KOHO is right for you depends on your individual needs. If you're a Canadian resident looking for a way to manage your money more effectively and avoid traditional bank fees, then KOHO is definitely worth checking out. With its user-friendly app, helpful features, and secure platform, KOHO could be the key to unlocking a brighter financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.